Hi everyone, good to see you again all. I hope you all will be fine. Please subscribe my channel for more latest updates. US 2023's 10 best performing stocks. The best performing stocks of 2023 are leading the market rebound. Less than speak greater than the 2023 S&P 500 market rally stalled in August as Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell warned more monetary policy tightening may be needed in the Fed's ongoing battle against inflation. Less than speak greater than. Less than speak greater than. Even after the pullback, the S&P 500 was sitting on nearly 19% year-to-date gains at the end of August. Less than speak greater than. Top 2023 stock market performers include healthcare stocks with unique catalysts and stocks exposed to artificial intelligence technology. Here are the 10 best performing stocks of 2023 among companies that trade on major U.S. exchanges and have market capitalizations of at least $1 billion. 10. VinFast Auto Limited (VFS). VinFast Auto is a Vietnamese electric vehicle maker. Following a special purpose acquisition company (SPAC) deal valuing the company at roughly $23 billion, VinFast began trading on the Nasdaq on August 15. The stock then experienced what can only be described as a buying frenzy. At one point, VFS shares ripped higher by 385% in just 5 trading days, and the company reached a mind-boggling peak market cap of $190 billion, more than double the market caps of Ford Motor Company, F. and General Motors Co., GM, combined. Those gains didn't last long, but VinFast shares are still up 232.2% year-to-date, even after a swift sell-off from all-time highs. 9. Symbotic Inc. (SYM). Symbotic specializes in supply chain automation and optimization using AI technology. Less than speak greater than. The company's customers include Walmart Inc., WMT, Albertsons Cos. Inc., Archie and C&S wholesale grocers. Less than speak greater than. Symbotic reported impressive 77% revenue growth in the fiscal third quarter, and the company also said it generated record operating margins. In addition, its Greenbox joint venture doubles its addressable market and increases its order backlog to $23 billion. The AI trend is red hot on Wall Street, and Symbotic has been one of the biggest beneficiaries of AI investor enthusiasm in 2023. In fact, the stock is up 250% year-to-date. 8. Marathon Digital Holdings Inc. (MARA). Marathon Digital is one of the largest Bitcoin miners in North America. Marathon shares have gotten a big 2023 boost from the rebound in the crypto market. In August, Marathon reported a net loss of $21.3 million in the second quarter but said Bitcoin production was up 314% year-over-year. It also said its cash position decreased by $11.2 million, its energized hash rate increased 54% and it grew its Bitcoin holdings by 1,072 BTC. Bitcoin mining has been far more profitable in 2023 than in 2022, and Marathon's stock price is up 267.5% year-to-date. 7. Archer Aviation Inc. (ACHR). Archer Aviation develops electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The company went public via a SPAC merger in 2021, and the stock has really taken off so far in 2023. In August, Archer announced it had secured a $215 million investment from a handful of heavy-hitting investors, including Stellantis NV, STLA, Boeing Co. BA, and United Airlines Holdings Inc. (UAL). In addition, Archer recently announced its Midnight aircraft has received a special airworthiness certificate from the Federal Aviation Administration. Archer now expects Midnight will enter into service in 2025, and the stock is up 272.7% in 2023. 6. BridgeBio Pharma Inc. (BBIO). BridgeBio Pharma is a biopharmaceutical company focused on treating genetic diseases and cancers that have a single genetic driver. The stock surged more than 60% in early March when BridgeBio released positive results from its mid-stage clinical trials of infigratinib in treating children with achondroplasia. The stock got another big boost in July when BridgeBio reported positive late-stage data for its clinical trials of acoramidis in treating transthyretin amyloid cardiomyopathy, or ATTR-CM. BridgeBio's $4.9 billion market cap makes it a potentially attractive buyout candidate as well. BBIO shares are now higher by 292.5% so far in 2023. 5. Aplavin Corp. APP. Aplavin provides software to app developers used for app discovery and monetization. Aplavin shares have trended steadily higher in 2023 as investors have become more optimistic about the company's outlook. In August, Aplavin reported revenue dropped 3% year-over-year in the second quarter, but software platform revenue was up 28% from a year ago to a record $406 million. Adjusted pre-tax operating earnings were also up 24% from a year ago. The company said its new AI-based advertising engine Axon 2.0, which powers its app discovery platform, has performed well since its launch. Aplavin shares are up 310.4% this year. 4. Riata Pharmaceuticals Inc. (Riata). Riata Pharmaceuticals is a biotechnology company that specializes in rare disease treatments. Riata shares surged in early March when the U.S. Food and Drug Administration approved the company's Friedreich's ataxia treatment candidate, Skyclarys, for patients 16 and older. Skyclarys is now the first and only FDA-approved drug to treat Friedreich's ataxia, which affects roughly 5,000 people in the U.S. In late July, Biogen Inc. (BIIB) announced a $7.3 billion buyout of Riata priced at a nearly 60% premium to the stock's previous day closing price. Following the buyout news, Riata shares are up 344.8% year-to-date. 3. Ionc Inc. (Ionq). Ionc is developing and producing quantum computing technology. Quantum computers utilize the power of quantum mechanics to solve problems and perform operations that are too complex for classical computers. Zion Market Research estimates the global quantum computing market will grow 31% annually and reach $5.27 billion by 2030, so it's understandable why investors would be excited about Ionc. The company reported 111% revenue growth and $28 million in new bookings in the second quarter. The company also raised its full-year revenue and bookings guidance. The positive headlines have sent Ionc shares up 398.2% year-to-date. 2. MoonLake Immunotherapeutics (MLTX). MoonLake Immunotherapeutics is a clinical-stage biotechnology company investigating novel nanobody sonelokimab in treating inflammatory disease. MoonLake shares gained nearly 80% in just 4 days in late June after the company reported positive mid-stage results from trials testing sonelokimab in treating patients with moderate to severe hidradenitis suppurativa. In July, Reuters reported MoonLake was working with an investment bank and exploring a potential sale to interested drugmakers, according to people familiar with the matter. Wall Street has high hopes for the drug and the stock, and Moonlake's shares are up 448.2% so far in 2023. 1. Carvana Company, CVNA. Carvana is an online used car sales platform that allows buyers to have cars delivered directly to their homes. 2 years after Reddit stock traders sent shares of struggling meme stocks GameStop Corp., GME, and AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc. AMC skyrocketing. Social media traders have once again rallied behind Carvana in 2023, triggering a short squeeze in the stock despite its poor business performance. Carvana reported a 24% drop in revenue, a 35% drop in retail units sold, and a net loss of $105 million in the second quarter. Regardless of its underwhelming fundamentals, Carvana's 962.2% year-to-date gain has certainly been impressive. Thanks, take care.